In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an impressive real estate website using a Wix template. We'll guide you through selecting a template, adding property listings with features like a Wix database or repeater, and incorporating contact forms and maps to ensure your website is both functional and engaging. Let's start by selecting a real estate template. When you're ready, head over to the Wix website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the template section and search for real estate options. You'll find plenty of designs, each tailored to highlight beautiful property images while providing a user-friendly experience. Look for one that best aligns with your vision. Once you've chosen the perfect template, click on Edit to enter the Wix editor, where all the magic happens. With your template now open in the editor, the next step is to add property listings to showcase on your site. You have two excellent tools at your disposal: Wix database and repeaters. Let's discuss how to use these tools effectively. For a more robust and dynamic display, the Wix database is a fantastic choice. It allows you to store and manage significant amounts of data, like property details and images, and updates on your site promptly when changes are needed. Access your site's menu, look for Content Manager, and from there, create a new collection. This collection will act as your database where you can input details about each property, such as address, price, and images. If you prefer an option that lets you quickly duplicate a design for multiple listings, then repeaters are your go-to feature. In Wix Editor, click on Add, select Lists and Grids, and then Repeater. Customize the repeater to suit the style of your listings, adjusting the text and images to reflect your properties accurately. You'll find it incredibly intuitive as you simply swap out images and update the text sections with relevant property details. Now, let's enhance your website by adding contact forms and maps. This serves to improve the overall user experience by making it easier for potential buyers to reach out and find property locations. Start by returning to the Add section in the Wix editor. From there, pick Contact, where you'll find an assortment of form designs. Select one that fits the theme of your website and insert it onto the page. You can tailor form fields to include vital information you'd like to collect, such as names, email addresses, and specific property interests. For the maps, again, head to Add, select More, and pick Maps. Insert the map widget and drag it to your desired section. You have the flexibility to customize it by setting a default location that represents your business's or featured property's address.